My top camera that I use is the one that I'm using for YouTube. So that's a Sony A7 IV. I recently got it, actually. I got it 2 weeks ago from the Sony website directly, and it's an absolutely phenomenal camera. It's a full frame hybrid Sony camera. I got it for it's over £2,000, but Sony had a really good offer on, and I got it for 1,900 and on 24-month finance. So it's an absolute workhorse. Camera amazing for photography and videography. Sony has other cameras that are more specialist for like video, others that are more specialist for photography, but I went for kind of halfway, something that is good for both, because I've got flexibility on shooting different types of content. Because in my freelance business, I'm doing photography for clients, I'm doing videography, the social media management. So I wanted something really solid as well. So it's a proper professional, rugged, solid camera to use. So it's the Mark IV model. The other camera that I have is the Mark III. So it's I just kind of got it is the same camera, but A7 IV obviously is the upgraded version. This one came out about 6 years ago, something like that. A7 IV came out 3 years ago, something like that. So they're both absolutely amazing cameras that I use. And you're probably thinking, why have I got two? Well, one as a backup camera, and also event photography. I'm getting increasingly a lot of event photography bookings. I can use both cameras at the same time. So I might have a more wide angle lens, I might have a macro lens or a zoom lens. So I've got different options and flexibility. So instead of like the first event photography that I did, I had one camera, multiple lenses. I was switching between lenses, so that's not ideal. And then sometimes I'll use more the video capability on one, and then just stick to more of a for the other one, just photography, and while I'm doing like portrait shots and things like that. Next on the list is wireless mics. So I'm wearing one of them right now to record, so I can connect it up to iPhone. There's like an adapter, comes with different adapters. So this is the Holy Land mic. I think I got it for about £60. I'll put the full kit list in the comments with links and prices. So this is absolutely amazing, and it comes with dual wireless mics, and you put them on with a magnet. So if I'm doing interview videos, talking head videos with my clients, I'll put them both on my client and myself. Sometimes maybe just the client who's just doing a talk, maybe they're cooking something, preparing something, and it's just them that I need to record and pick up their audio. Absolutely fantastic quality. It really improves the quality of the audio instead of using just the iPhone or like the professional camera. So in terms of lenses, I've got the standard kit lens. I've got a Sony 50mm 1.8 aperture. So that's I'm going to use that for more kind of portrait. And my favorite lens at the moment is this Sigma 70mm macro lens, a 2.8 aperture, and is fantastic. Like the quality of this is fantastic, and I spent quite a bit on it. I got it for £500 for this lens, and I'm using it for portraits and also capturing a lot more detail when doing food photography. So this is an absolutely fantastic lens. Highly recommend. There's quite a few different ones out there. I thought it was quite reasonable at around nearly £500. Is well worth the investment. Next on the list, and I admit I'm using this less and less, and this is the DJI gimbal for the iPhone. So I have been shooting quite a bit on iPhone, but increasingly now I'm using the Pro Cam. Give me a second. I'll have to. There we go. Amazing. Look at that. Love it. So it's pretty good. Oh, I've put it upside down.
You failed. You failed.
Next on the list is a flash. So this is a Godox TT350S. So this is a pretty solid flash gun that I use on my Sony cams. So this is obviously, it's used mostly for my photography work. It was pretty good value for money, but this is an absolute must for product photography, event photography here and there, and multiple purposes. And last but not least is my MacBook Pro. I'm using a M2 MacBook Pro to do all my editing work. So using Lightroom, CapCut, Final Cut Pro to do some video editing. So it's my absolute kind of workhorse base laptop that I use, and it has to be a MacBook for me when editing. Thanks for watching, guys. If you've got any questions at all on any of the kit that I've covered in this video, give me a shout in the comments. If you're a budding photographer, videographer, social media manager, looking to go freelance and start your freelance business, give my channel a follow. I'm going to be doing a series of videos that will be aimed at helping you become a freelancer. I'll be sharing my hints and tips, my journey as I develop. I've only been freelancing for about 9 months, but in that 9 months, I've learned a heck of a lot, and I'm being able to pay off my mortgage each month. So it's a fantastic little kind of side hustle that I'm developing into a proper freelance business and beyond, hopefully.